December 2021 from the Evans family for English. Pembayaran udah 5 kali mungkin ya, 5 kali. Nah itu orangnya, Mr. Evin. One question, Bin. How long have we been learning English? 4 months. 4 or 3?
5 months.
Since
December.
Since August, yes.
August, maybe.
August or September.
August, September, October.
July,
November,
August.
September, maybe.
Oh. And the last question. How do you feel English? Boring? Interesting?
Sometimes boring, sometimes interesting.
Oke, ya. Jadi itu aja dokumentasi ya. Belajar bahasa Inggris. Thank you. Makasih ya, Bin.